Let's solve this equation quickly. It says root of x plus 5 plus root of x is equal to 5. First thing to do is to rearrange this equation. So we're going to have, instead of this, we're going to have root of x plus 5 to be equal to 5 minus root of x. So we simply isolate this on one side. Now, we decide to square both sides. So we have x plus 5 root of this all squared to be equal to 5 minus root of x all squared. Okay, so invariably this square and this square root take out each other, so we have x plus 5 left to be equal to 5 squared is 25 minus 5 times root x is 5 root x times 2 is 10 root x, okay, plus x. Okay, now furthermore we can rearrange this to become x plus 5 minus x minus 25 to be equal to minus 10 root x. Okay, from here we can have x minus x to be equal to 0. Minus 25 plus 5 is minus 20 to be equal to negative 10 root x. Dividing both sides by negative 10, okay, we have what's left on the left hand side to be equal to 2, and this is equal to root x. Okay, when you have something like this, you simply square both sides. So if you square both sides, we have 2 squared to be equal to x, hence x is equal to 4. Okay, and this is the answer to this question. Cheers.